Hi, I'm Gary Huntley, and I'm excited about my appointment to the AiDash Advisory Board after retiring as Vice President of Distribution Services for Entergy Corporation. I look forward to drawing on my decades of experience in the energy industry to shape what AiDash delivers using satellite technology and artificial intelligence. At the core, utilities like Entergy are focused on providing safe and reliable services to their customers and doing so at a reasonable cost. And I believe new technology is the key to achieving those goals. I've managed through over a dozen storms, including hurricanes Laura, Delta, Zeta, and Ida in recent years. And I see opportunities to use new technology to also improve storm management and grid resiliency while focusing on the daily reliability of the system. And as a major contributor of electric power outages, vegetation is a key area of focus. But utilities face several challenges in vegetation management. Most utilities take a cycle-based approach, which involves manual inspections, a process that is time-consuming with less accurate data. And they are also experiencing rising maintenance costs. And vegetation management is already one of their largest expense line items. And finally, there are growing pressures from customers and regulators to reduce vegetation-caused outages. But AiDash enables utilities to make a more accurate data-driven approach. It also provides utilities with unprecedented agility and cost-effective solutions for managing vegetation and disasters. With this new approach, AiDash delivers incredible business results. In my previous role, AiDash helped Entergy achieve 2 consecutive years of significantly lower customer interruptions. In the same time period, we also beat vegetation reliability targets, all while maintaining flat budgets. I was involved in the development of AiDash's vegetation management platform, and I'm already working with the products team to develop and implement platforms to address storm management, disaster risk mitigation, and sustainability. Some of that work is already embedded in their disaster and disruption management system, which they launched at DistribuTech earlier this year. I'm very excited to help AiDash develop more solutions that increase reliability and operational safety for utilities worldwide.